I'm confused. Why is JYP uploading all these Rain and G.O.D. and the Noel and the Park Jin? I don't know her name. I'm confusion. Korea, explain what the 2002 was going on here. Child, I didn't know Rain had a song called How to Run From the Sun. Obviously, I don't need that video because I'm blackity black, black, blackity black, black, black. What the Christina Aguilera dirty is going on here? It's raining, bitch! It's raining! Ah! First of all, you don't know them. What? You don't know them, sir? You don't know them? Did you not see Ma? Did you not see Ma? You can't trust old people. What you doing, son? You can't trust old people no more. They will kill you. I got questions. Why was you so sad back in the day? Why was you so sad? And who is this bitch? Who is this bitch? Who is she? Child, they even re-uploaded In My Bed. JYP, why are you telling everybody how I got pregnant back in the day? They don't need to know all this.